guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a quick little unbagging, and I say unbagging because for once I do not have the Louis Vuitton box that they ship my Louis Vuitton boxes in. You know, whatever I purchase from Louis Vuitton, it's always purchased online, and this time I got to purchase in store. So I tried to pick up as many things as I possibly could that I had been eyeing or anything like that, and this is definitely one of them. So I got the cute little bag. I'm so excited. I'm just a sucker for packaging, and I never get packaging, so I'm really excited for it. So what I got is something really small, nothing big, obviously, but it did come in this really cute little box, and I would love for you guys to guess, to see what you think I may have purchased down below in the comments. You guys are like, there's nothing in there. I had always been eyeing this on the website, but I never bought it. I don't know if it's because I feel like it's really expensive for something so small. I don't know why I never purchased it, but as soon as I got my Artsy for Christmas this last year, I was like, I have to get that. Like, I know what I'm gonna put on it. And it took me 7-8 months to go ahead and purchase it for it, but I saw it in store and I was like, oh my gosh, that's the one, I want it. So I got a bandeau, twilly, whatever you guys want to call it, and I got this beautiful, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this one. Like, there's a few that it's just like, they don't, you know, they don't call my name, but something with animal print, I don't know why, especially with leopard, it drives me crazy. So this is, oh my gosh. So, okay, so here's one side of it. I will link it down below because it is on the website, but since I was there in person, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I'm gonna buy it in store, you know? So this is what it looks like on one side. And then of course, like, it has the little LVs right here on the bottom. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So, so, so beautiful. And then on the other side, like this, it has like the little compass. Oh, it's just so, so, so pretty. So, so, so pretty. And on the other side is that beautiful like animal print. And of course, that's the, like, my favorite part about it. I just absolutely love it with those really big LVs on the bottom. This is the tag that comes on it, if you guys want to see that. And oh my gosh, I am just obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. I do not know how to tie these. That's why I think I waited so long and finally getting one. But I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of girls like show you how to tie them on the bags and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna do that. But I'm just gonna do a quick version real quick because I wanted to show you what bag I wanted to put it on, and it is my Artsy. I absolutely love it. It is in the older version, which is what I prefer. I absolutely love it. Whenever I was at the store the other day, I had my Artsy with me, and I was like, pull down that new Artsy. I want to put them side by side and see what the differences are. So if you're interested in that, I will link it down below because there is quite a big of difference. And honestly, I just prefer this one. I just absolutely love it. But anyways, this isn't about the bag. This is about the bandeau. So I don't know, like, I feel like it'll just add a little bit more to like the classic Artsy that everyone has, you know? I don't really quite know how I'm gonna do it yet. It still has the tag on it. I need to rip it off, but, so I think I'm gonna do it somewhat like this. Let me see, I might like tie it in a knot. I'm trying to show you and do it at the same time. So I'm tying it on the little gold hoop clasp here, but on the side where this little long key ring is. So as you can see, even like that, look at that. Like even that looks cute. Oh my gosh, even that looks cute. How cute. How many times am I gonna say cute? I know, I'm sorry. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna try my best to do a really cute bow. Oh my gosh, this is super adorable. I was about to not cuss, but I was gonna say this is freaking adorable, but it really is. Like, it really is. OMG. I am so glad I got this. Like, so glad. It looks really cute, and it just adds character to your bag. I'm not the type that like gets bag charms and stuff like that for my bags, but I am now, I guess. Oh my gosh. So I still need to take the tag off, but look at how cute that looks. So just pretend that this is not there. Let's just kind of hide it there for a second. Oh my gosh, how stunning is that? And of course it has, the side of the leopard, which is the one that I used, but you can use the other side that is just that beautiful dark brown and has, you know, the LV, and that will look beautiful as well. But oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. This looks so super and so super cute. Oh my gosh, I am just so in love with it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I think I love it more than I thought I was gonna love it. I'm so glad I got it. It was the last one in store, and he had it on a Pochette Matisse, but it was like, I think the Empreinte. Yeah, it wasn't the regular Pochette Matisse. It was like an Empreinte one. I think it was like even a red one or something, and it just stood out to me, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's the bandeau that I want or I have been looking at. So OMG, it is everything. I'm so glad I got it. So simple, you know, like I don't know how to, you know, put them on the bag correctly, but I like that I have the option to put them on this clasp, so that's what I put it on. I didn't put it on the actual handle, but I'm excited to watch more YouTube videos and try to get crafty with it. Maybe I can even like wrap my some of my braided strap or anything like that. I'm so excited. And the good thing about it is that I've seen a lot of videos where you can use it in so many different ways, like not just on your bag. You can use it like in your hair, like as a scarf, or like as a just tie it right here in a bow on your neck. You know, I even saw somebody use it as a belt. I don't think I will. I mean, that kind of sounds like a good idea with like a black jumpsuit and it on your, okay. Anyways, there was just so many like different ideas to use it, and I loved it. So I am so glad that I got it. I love it, love it, love it. I can't say that enough. And yeah, it just adds so much more character to my bag that I didn't even know I needed. How cute. I already got online and I was looking at the other ones, but I want another one for my Neverfull in Azur with the rose ballerine interior. But I wanted to do like a light pink, you know, obviously to match the bag. All right, that's all I have for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will definitely see you guys very soon in another video. Mwah. Bye guys.